Good morning. So I have just finished scanning the watercolor from last night into the computer. It turned out pretty good. It scanned okay. It's a little bit, so the color is not as vivid, of course, so I'm going to adjust the contrast, maybe up the saturation a little bit. Then I'm going to scan in this one too, which I already trimmed down so that it'll fit in the scanner. And then today I need to sculpt hopefully everything on this list. So it's 36 charms this week. Anyway, I'm gonna get started. So I've just finished up with sculpting for today. That's what the ticking is in the background that you hear. And I've gotten a cup of coffee in a mug that my mother-in-law gave me that I use all the time. After I went to go get the kids, I had to go drop off rent and also restock my candles. There's a flower shop right behind the post office and they sell soy wax candles from a company that I really love. Whenever they have my favorite scents in stock here in town, I like to support the local business because she's really nice, the owner. So anyway, they're 1803 candles. So it's soy wax made from soybeans in the USA. It's clean burning, non-toxic, non-carcinogenic, biodegradable, environmentally friendly. I just really, really like them. So I will link the company down below if you want to try them. But the two scents that I got are Cranberry Cupboard and Cider Mill, and they're so amazing. Holiday ones are glittery and have like a little pine wreath around the top. It's very, very pretty. So I just finished and put up the Gnome Sweet Gnome teaser. So I'm really excited about that, and I'm also excited because I'm doing something new with the packaging of the Gnome Sweet Gnome clubs. I had to order more business cards from Vistaprint this morning for my winter cards because I get bored and I change the look of my business cards seasonally. So, but whenever I was going through my art supplies this week, I found this little guy. And I was like, why have I not used this illustration for my gnome club? I also found this one. It's a Dobby. But anyway, so I scanned this one in, and now all of you who do the Gnome Sweet Gnome Club will receive a print of this size with the theme on the back. So it'll look, I think, very official and cute, and then you'll have this to go on your fridge or toss away. I just thought it was cute and I couldn't not use it. So anyway, the day is over. My timer just went off, so I'm gonna take all of the cups off of the pegs because I have to do that while it's warm / hot. And then I'm gonna go out and chill before I make dinner. I think we're making white spaghetti for supper, which is one of Rory's favorites. It's Alfredo, obviously, but she calls it white spaghetti.